There have also been a lot of people who have said, given all the uncertainties, it doesn't make sense to adhere to a buy and hold strategy anymore, that you have to be more strategic. I think in one of your books you mentioned that even Peter Bernstein in recent years has ascribed to this philosophy. Is buy and hold dead as a discipline or a strategy or tactic?
Buy and hold is eternal, and there's no way around it. First, think about it this way. As a group, we investors buy and hold. All of us together own the entire stock market, and we hold it. We're trading back and forth within the market with each other. We're each trying to gain an advantage over somebody else. It's a market system that pits one investor against another, but as a group, we're buy and hold investors. So, if you want to be a stock picker, pick a stock. I wouldn't do that, but pick a stock. Somebody else, if you're right, the person that sold it to you is wrong. So I think the death knell for buy and hold is greatly overrated. Indexing, which is the ultimate buy and hold strategy, is going to still beat the average active manager, because the average active manager owns the entire market, just like the index fund does, all the managers together. So buy and hold is really, I think it's a buzzword. People are trying to think of something new to say. But I do think a very important point is, what do you mean when you say buy and hold? Because I'm a buy and holder, but that doesn't mean I buy and hold the stock market. I buy and hold the stock market and the bond market in whatever proportions appeal to me. And for me, I don't change my allocation very much, but for me, holding roughly my age, the percentage in bonds that my age is, which is getting a little bit in the old side, means I'm very conservative, buying and holding about approximately 80% of my assets in bonds, and buying and holding approximately 80% in assets in stocks. And that's a sensible theory. It's an explainable theory when we don't really know what people mean when they say buy and hold.